Welcome to Accountri. At Accountri, we built an enterprise software that would help to streamline your organization workflow. Visit us at accountri.com. Using Accountri, you can manage resources, do project management, manage receivables and payments, comply with standards, create templates, share and collaborate documents, manage vendors and clients, track tickets and ensure policies are signed, manage talent pool. Click Login to sign into your secured account. Successful login leads to the application homepage. You may expand the sidebar for readability purpose. You may add or edit company announcements by clicking on the My image. Any announcements added here are visible to all the stakeholders of the system. Click on Calendar image shows leave calendar of all the staff. User logged in would see all the leaves of his or her direct and indirect reporters. Admin will see the information for the entire staff. Leaves are color-coded based on the stage they are in. User may change the theme and personal settings anytime they would like to. You may define your company-wide settings like departments, project categories, access restrictions, holidays, and other settings in Master Settings module. Go to HR module to manage your staff. Click on the Employee ID or Edit icon to see full details. Go to Hiring Details tab to hire or fire an employee. All onboarding documents like education, previous employment, and any other documents can be updated in Documents tab. Add and modify employee work shift here in Shift Settings tab. In Earnings tab, salary structure is displayed based on the settings defined for the organization in Salary Settings menu in HR module. Define and tax exemption data for the employee in Tax Exemptions tab. Payment History tab shows all types of payments made to the employees. Salary advances can be maintained in Advances tab. Create and manage organization assets in Assets module. Leave Management module lets you and staff enter and manage leaves. Approved leaves would automatically show up in Timesheet. Fill timesheets in Timesheet module and run payroll in Payroll module. Employee fills timesheet, reviewer may accept or reject timesheet. Projects can be of type fixed value or time and material. Enter the details of fixed bid project in Details tab. In Tasks tab, define tasks and assign resources to the task with start date and end date. Tasks and task assignees can be tracked based on task stage and assignee progress status. Assignee may enter data in timesheet against the tasks he or she would be working on. Define time and material project. Add resources with billing rate. Invoices can be raised based on resource hours and billable rate. Generate invoices for fixed value projects, T&M projects, or you can create custom invoices. When billing customers for fixed value projects, you can bill them for entire project or bill partially based on the percentage of completion. For time and material projects, you may bill customers based on timesheet hours entered by the billable resource, or optionally you may enter the billable hours in the invoice for the resource assigned to the project. Enter received amount against the invoices. You may enter TDS received and actual amount received separately. Track any payments and TDS made to vendors, contractors, or employees in Payments Out module. Create and assign service requests, bugs, enhancements, and incidents in Service Desk module. This module can act as your typical bug tracking module with centralized access to all your stakeholders. Enter quality and other issues or recognitions in Issues and Recognitions module. All issues or recognitions added in this module visible in HR portal and also presented at the time of performance appraisal. Policy management lets you create and version control policies. You can also track which version of the policy is distributed to the staff and make sure it is accepted by staff. This is a convenient way for both management and staff to review organizational policies. Client and vendor management modules let you add and maintain contact information, contracts, and other documents in a central location. Add job requirements/posts in the system and tag the job applicants to the requirements. You can review the status of job applicants based on their performance, gender, ethnicity, etc. Create Word and Excel templates in Template Management module. You may distribute them to HR, employees, clients, and vendors. You may let the users edit these templates and create their own version without changing the original document or restrict the user to only view mode. Create, share, and collaborate documents with your stakeholders. This can be your private cloud where you can create and share documents among your staff, clients, and vendors in a secured way. GST module lets you prepare data for quarterly GST filing. Data is fetched based on the invoices, receivables, and payments entered in the system. Track TDS Chow lands in Holland Management module. Quarterly TDS filing data is prepared in TDS module. Based on the payments history, TDS data is prepared automatically. Full analytics against multiple modules in a seamless fashion in Standards Report module. You may define your own reports and distribute the same to your staff using Report Builder.